Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and signing into the cloud app you chose. This is necessary to access storage. Once signed in, make sure you connect to Wi-Fi or allow cellular uploads if urgent, because transfers use data. Grant the app storage and photos permissions so uploads run smoothly. Now open the app, tap the upload or plus button, and select files or folders. This begins the first transfer immediately, and you'll see progress indicators so you know it's working. Once files are uploading, organize them into folders so you avoid clutter later. Use clear names and date prefixes to find things fast. Make selective sync choices. Mark essential folders for offline access and keep large archives online only to save device space. Enable version history if you need to revert changes, and adjust background sync frequency so uploads happen during idle periods. Finally, verify sync status icons and confirm critical files finished upload. Finish by sharing files using link or permission settings so others can view or edit. Set expirations if needed for security. Check your storage quota and clear app cache or remove duplicate files if space is low, because low storage can stop syncs. If something goes wrong, try this troubleshooting tip. Re-authenticate the account, confirm app permissions, switch networks, and update the app. Most sync issues resolve after relogin and a fresh connection. Then re-attempt the upload to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.